Hello, welcome to another episode of Create with Brenda. I am Brenda Hillard, Independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. If you do not have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I would love to have you be part of my customer base and share with you the stamping tools, products, and just the friendships that come with stamping. So if you are looking for a demonstrator, I would love to be yours. Today I want to share with you another use for the Stamparatus. It may not be new to some of you, but it was kind of a revelation to me when I was working with my paper pumpkin. This month, paper pumpkin, and I won't spoil anything if you haven't gotten yours yet, but this month there's this little, I'm going to bring the Stamparatus over so you can see it better. There's this little strip of banners to stamp, and is what I found using the Stamparatus is I'm going to place everything up, and when I say everything, I do have one of the Stampin' Storage inserts for my Stamparatus. I put the silicone pad down. I'm going to just move this little sheet of banners to be stamped up to the top. I'm going to put a magnet down, and I'm going to add another magnet down here at the bottom, and I'm just going to take this one out. So there, I've secured my place. So is what I want to do is I want to put I'm using this little thank you from Baby Bear, because it seems like I always need more thank yous than I do anything else. So I set that on my banner the way I want it. I'm going to pounce, like I've said before, on the acrylic, and it lifted my little piece there, but that's okay, because that's what I want to show you is how you can template these back in that space. So is what I'm going to do now is just slide this down so you can see it. I'm going to take my Night of Navy ink pad. I'm going to stamp up my thank you, and this doesn't matter, it'll wipe off when I'm done. I'm going to take my acrylic pad, bring it back down, press on my stamp, and there's my little thank you. Okay? So what's the big deal, you're probably asking yourself. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to take another one of the banners out and putting it back in that same spot that I just stamped. Again, I'm going to ink up my thank you, flip my sheet down. I have to move my magnet there. Press again. There's another one. Then I'm going to take another one out. Just replace it where I just stamped. I'm going to ink again. Bring my sheet over. Pounce. So do you see how you get like the perfect lineup on your banner just by replacing your others in that same hole that you just stamped from, and then you don't have to worry about them being crooked, and if you don't get a good image, you have the chance to re-ink and try again. I hope you like my tip for this morning, and check back soon. I'll have some more ideas and projects and tips for you. Have a great day. Bye.